Hello and welcome to this Sight and Sound technology demonstration. Today we're going to look at the Compact 10 HD. The Compact is available in the smaller 6-inch size, but today we're going to demo the 10-inch model. You can also choose between a magnifier only version or the version which includes the speech. And it's this speech version which we will be demoing today. With its large 10-inch screen, customizable features, and intuitive operation, the Compact 10 HD offers all the benefits of a desktop video magnifier, but in a much smaller, foldable and portable design. With the arm unfolded, you can easily look at photos, write your signature, view medicine packaging, and even read round cans without being restricted in your movements. With the Compact 10 HD Speech Edition, the swing-out arm allows you to scan and read full pages of text. To turn the Compact 10 HD on or off, use the power switch on the left-hand side of the unit. A short press will send the unit to sleep, or wake it up from sleep. A longer press, for approximately 5 seconds, will power the unit on and shut the unit down. With the reading stand at the back closed, you can use the Compact 10 HD to view objects from a close distance. You might use this when a surface or desk is not available to you. You might need to read something more clearly when you're on the go, or just to magnify an object quickly, like this business card. For easier reading, simply unfold the reading stand at the back of the device. With the reading stand open, the high-definition camera will be distanced perfectly from the page, giving you the clearest high-definition image quality. When using the Compact as a magnifier, the following buttons are available to you on screen. From left to right, we have the decrease magnification, then we have the OCR button, next along is the mode button, which you would use to change the color mode, and finally the increase magnification button. The Compact 10 uses touchscreen. There is only one physical button on the device on the side, which is the power button. Everything else is controlled by touch. To make it even easier to use, you can change between two modes, Easy Mode and Advanced Mode. In Easy Mode, the previously mentioned buttons are available to you. And in Advanced Mode, you'll have some additional options, such as Menu, Clock, and Snapshot. To switch between Easy and Advanced Mode, tap and hold the Mode button and select your choice. Zooming in and out of magnification is super easy. You can simply tap the decrease or increase magnification buttons to move incrementally, or just press and hold for continuous zooming. Tap on the mode button to change the viewing mode. Here you can cycle between a range of colour options to make reading most comfortable for you. You can use the snapshot button to take a still image of a document or an item. Once you've taken a snapshot, the image will retain on screen, meaning you can move the Compact HD around yet still see the image there. And you can even still use the magnification controls and the mode button to change your viewing preference, just as if it was a live image. The next button along is the text-to-speech button, also known as OCR. When using the text-to-speech on a part of a page, place the Compact 10 HD on top of the document with the camera arm folded in, and position the text you want to read on screen. Take a snapshot, and let the Compact 10 HD scan the document, and now you can listen to the text.
Second press, on off. 3. Audio jack. Use the audio jack to CC headset.
You can press the pause/play button to pause or resume reading respectively. Let's explore some of the options found in the easy-to-use menu system. The first item is the voice menu. Here we are presented with a list of voices which I have already made available for quick access in this list. We can choose to add more voices from a wide variety of 24 different languages, including English, French, German, Spanish, and many more. Each language has its own set of voices available, so that you can choose a voice to suit your preference. For instance, you may prefer a male or a female voice. The next option in the menu allows you to add a reading line. It can make reading more comfortable with a reading line to aid you. You can change the positioning of the reading line should you wish to do so. The Open option in the menu will show you any saved images you have saved to the device from a snapshot. If you take a snapshot, the Save option will also be visible to you in this menu. The screen brightness slider can also be found in this menu. Move this up and down to increase or decrease screen brightness. The gear icon in the bottom right of the menu brings you some more settings. We can tweak and refine the colour modes more to suit your needs even more. The View option gives you some more customization options. For instance, you can enable the reading blinds, and you can change the appearance of the text focus box. There are even more customization options and features available from this menu. For instance, you can enable Bluetooth to connect to a Bluetooth speaker or headphones. You can even stream the video from the Compact 10 HD to a monitor or TV via Miracast. If you want to capture a full page, you can open the camera arm and place the document below the camera. Align the bottom left corner of the document within the blue indicator at the base of the Compact 10 HD speech. Press the OCR button to perform text-to-speech and wait a few short seconds for the image to be processed. The document will now be read back to you, clearly and accurately.
Using text-to-speech. When using text-to-speech on a full page, open the camera arm and place the document below the camera. Align the bottom left corner of the document with the blue indicator at the base of the Compact 10 HD speech. When using text-to-speech on a part of the page, place the Compact 10 HD speech on top of the document with the camera arm.
You can use the pause button to pause the reading at its current position. And you can use the color mode button to change the color contrast setting. And you can still magnify the document using the plus and minus buttons. Simply press the play button to resume from the previous position.
Fold it in and position the text you want to read on screen. Take a snapshot, let Compact 10 HD speech scan the document and listen to the text.
When using the Compact 10 HD to view objects or photographs and to write your signature, with the swing arm open you will have more space. For this demonstration, I found a bottle which might normally be difficult to read, as it contains a lot of small text. When viewing this type of object, or if I was to write my signature, you'd want to enable the focus lock using the button in the upper right corner. This will lock the focus into place, meaning as I rotate the object, the focus does not change. If I were to write my signature, it could become blurry as my hand would be in front of the document whilst writing. But with focus lock, the focus stays locked and blurry text will never be a problem again. We hope you enjoyed this product demonstration of the Compact 10 HD speech. If you would like to know more, please do get in touch with us. From all of us at Sight and Sound Technology, stay safe, and until next time, goodbye for now.